we just got our East Asian snack meal. Let's get into it. She's just gonna open her ice cream. Can I teach you your name?
No, I don't. You have to send for that, you have to wait.
She was feeling really bad to open her ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna move, and look how cute these shoes are that my friend just got. So first of all, I'm just gonna show you everything I got. So that we got. So first of all, we got these milk candies. I've had the strawberry version before, and they're so cute. Sorry, it's really loud. And then I also got this really cute water set. It was actually so cheap. It was like £1.19, such a bargain. And then my friend got the Hichews. They're really good. And these are the mango ones. And then I've never seen these before, but these are these kind of like potato cracker things. I don't know. And I can't have gluten, so I thought it wouldn't be able to happen, but I actually could, and so I'm really excited to try that. Then these are the drinks that we got. So I got so I got my strawberry milk, and she got her, what flavour is this? Melon. This is her melon one. It looks really good. Oh, and yeah, this is also my little rubber. So cute. And then everything in our bag. So I got these. I wanted to get an ice cream, so I got this. Can't wait to try. And then I also got these, which we're sharing, these cute little strawberry chews, because like I said, I just love all strawberry things. So now I'm going to try them and let you know what I think. You saw me? Okay, now I'm going to open them. Right, I love strawberry milk. I hope I shook it enough. Okay. It's really good, it's really fizzy actually. I didn't think it was going to be like that. Really good. I would give it, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, now we're just going to go because her dad's picking us up. Okay, this is like coconut. Wait, it feels like mochi ice cream.
It's the wallet. Throw it out the window. I just know where else it's gonna go.
No! Whoa, that's so cute. Right, I'm gonna try it. Sweet and salty together. I'm gonna give it a 3. I don't really like it. Nah. This is the melon one. So good, it's so much better than mine. I like a solid 9. Okay, so next I'm opening these, which are really cute. So like I said, I've had the strawberry ones, but I haven't tried the milk candy original flavour ones yet. So let's try. My hand is so disgusting from trying all the chocolate things so far. I love how they all come in cute little individual wrappers. Not quite as cute as the strawberry one, but still. Ooh. What? I didn't really like them. They taste like milk. Like, a lot like milk. Like, literally like milk. Okay, no, I kind of love-hate with these, so I'm gonna give them a 5. So, my final product that I'm trying is called Hichews. Actually, my friend's that she's got. I don't think I've had them before. But anyway, I'm very excited to try them out. I think they're just kind of like fruit candies, basically. I have one now. It kind of looks like mini butter. Look at mini butter. It's really good. It has a really different flavour to most other candies that I've had. It's like mango, and I haven't had a mango candy in ages, and it's like a really strong flavour. Mango is definitely not my favourite flavour, although for that reason I'm going to give them a 6. The texture is really good. Yeah.